In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a street name to Google Maps. This is perfect when you notice a missing road or an unnamed street that needs to be reflected on the map so people can navigate, request rides, or get deliveries more easily. We'll do this on a computer using the desktop version of Google Maps, since that's where the full editing tools live. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com Maps. Give the map a moment to load and, if possible, make sure you're signed into your Google account so your edit can be reviewed and credited properly. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon, and click it to open the side panel. In that panel, select Edit the Map. This opens Google's tools for making map corrections. From there, choose Add or Fix a Road, which is the option specifically designed for missing or inaccurate road data. On the panel that appears, click Add a Road. This activates the road drawing tool on the map itself. Now zoom into the area where the street belongs so you can draw accurately. Click to start your line at one end of the street, ideally at an intersection or a clear starting point, and click along the path to trace the road. Each click adds a point, and the tool will connect them. If you make a mistake, look for an undo option or drag a point to adjust it. Aim to follow the actual path using satellite view or street view if needed to confirm curves and intersections. Keep the line on the roadway, avoid cutting across buildings or lots, and try to connect to existing roads so navigation works properly. When the line looks correct, click Done. You'll then be prompted to type the road name. Enter the official name as it appears on signs or authoritative sources, including the correct suffix like street, avenue, or road. Use standard capitalization and avoid abbreviations unless that's how it's officially styled. If the street has a locally recognized spelling or has recently changed names, use the most current, widely accepted version. After you've entered the name, click Done again to finalize your suggestion. Once submitted, Google reviews the change for accuracy, which can take some time. You don't need to do anything else, just check back later to see the update reflected on the map. Providing a precise trace and a correct name increases the chances your edit gets approved quickly. And that's it. You've successfully added a street name to Google Maps, helping everyone find their way a little more easily.